Okay, guys, welcome back to Architectural World. Today, I'm going to be working a three-bedroom bungalow, a low roof plan. It's a client request, and I'm given 2 days to deliver this job. So let's go. I don't want to deliver it. I don't want to deliver it before bringing it to you guys. So I want to work it as it goes. So I have just 2 days, and I'm starting off this design today. So in case you're just coming across the channel, this is Architectural World, a place where all your design curiosity are being met. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So right now I'm going to be using ArchiCAD 18 for this job. I'm going to be using ArchiCAD 18 for this job. So this is my new page. It's coming up. I'm going to take my new page. So first of all, I already have, I just want to create a new project, and this is my last profile. So I really don't edit all these things. I don't edit all these things. That is it. Okay. So like I said, I already have all these things on my last profile. So I'm just going to click new. Then I'll allow it to come up. What I'm designing is a three-bedroom bungalow, and the client has a land size of 25 meter by 17 meters. So the land, I have enough land to play, but the land is on landscape, so I have enough land to play with. So guys, in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Like I always tell you guys, I like doing my 3D before doing my 2D analysis. So let's go to, you come here, you click story settings. Please follow me up. This is DPC level, DPC. This is DPC level, and I'm going to use a height of 1350 millimeter for this. Then I'll come to this place. This is ground floor. This is ground floor. Okay. Then I'm going to change this to 3.4 meter because I'm working more with height. I'm going to change this to 3.4 meter. Okay. I think that is all. I really don't need this part, so I can either delete it or leave it. So I'll just click OK. I'll come down to my DPC because this is where I'm working on. Then I'll come to my design tools. I'll go to my wall tools. I'll pick my, go to my wall layout. I'll come down to geometry and positioning. This is where you choose the thickness of the wall. So I'm just come here and change the wall thickness to 150 millimeter. This is what we are using in Nigeria. This 6 inches block, that's 150 millimeter. So I don't know which block size you intend to use from your own end. So that being done, okay, that be done, I want to just edit this. Okay, now the layout, I want the layout to come down to my model. I'll click here and take here. I'll come down to stucco. Okay, I want all the down layer to be the same, so I'm going to take white. Let's look for glossary white. Let's look for it. I'm going to be a little bit fast in this class, please, because I just have 2 days to deliver this project. So I'm going to choose glossary white, and the moment I turn on this, I'm linking the surface. You can see it says link surface. That's what I just did. I'm linking the surface. Then after this, I'll just click my OK, and that is all. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll draw the first line, then I'll draw the second line, and that is all. So I'm going to zoom this, then change this. I don't like the layout, it's too dark. So I want to change it to something light so you can be able to see through. Okay, I think I like this. Now, what am I doing? I need a car park of 5 meter. Let's just assume I'm working on a car park of 5 meter. That is what I'm doing right now. So I'm coming down to my design tools. I'll pick my line tools. Then I'll pick this part, or should I work it from the back side? Where do you think I should start my design from? Okay, let me just start from the front. I'll change this. I'll pick this line tools. Then I'm looking for a car park of 5 meter, or let's say 5.5 meter. That's 500. Okay, then please follow what I'm doing. Follow what I'm doing. I'll come here, click my OK. First, this line is too dark, so I'm going to change this line. I'm going to brighten this line to red so I can be able to see what I'm doing. Now the car park is 5 meter, and what do you think? I intend to start this. Let me start this stuff from the front. Let me start it from the front side. So I'm going to change this to red so you can be able to see through properly. So let me start this from the front side. And what do you think will be the front size? Let me think. Let me think. What do you think? Okay, let's look for 4 meter, 3 meter. Okay, 4.2 meter. Let's say 4.2 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter, 7 meter. Okay, let's look for 7 meter. Let's take from here. Let's start from here. Let's look for 7 meters. So I'm going to take 7 meters from here. Okay, then I'll let go here. I'm trying to work on what I have. So I have my 7 meter here. So from this my 7 meter, I'm looking for my dining space. I'm looking for my dining space. Let's say my dining space should be okay. Let's go for 4 meter. First of all, I want to take this wall to this place. I'll copy this wall to this place. Now I'm creating it already. I'm working this thing off from the head. So please and please focus very well on it. So I'm going to take this. I want my dining to be 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter dining. Okay, so I'm going to let go. 4 meter, 4 meter. Let's bring this wall back to this place. Let's paste it here. 4 meter. Okay, so I'm going to take this line off. Now what do I need? I think I need an offset of, let's say, 1 meter. I need an offset of 1 meter, I think so. Or let's say 1150. The reason we're having 150 millimeter on top of the 1 meter is because of the block wall. So I think I'm cool with this. So what next do I need? I need a 2 meter passage. A 2 meter passage, like a form of a balcony to the kitchen. A 2 meter balcony to the kitchen. So I'm going to take 2 meter from this spot. I'm going to take 2 meter from this spot. Okay, 2 meter. Then I'll drag this here. Please follow what I'm doing, please. So I'm going to copy this wall and paste it here. Then I'll cut this off. Then I'll cut this off. So this 2 meter, that's a balcony. Now I need a kitchen of, let's say, from the 2 meter, 2.5 meter. Let's just make this dining and kitchen section to be, let's say, dining stroke kitchen sector. Let's say, what do you think? I don't want to congest the land. What do you think? Okay, let's hit 4 meter. Let's try this at 4 meter. So you can either add this to 4150 millimeter. That's 4 meter. Now I'm coming to that. Now let's have a guest toilet, a general guest toilet. I think 1.2 meter is okay. So we're gonna have 1350. Okay, for the general guest toilet. Then let's have another toilet. Let's have another toilet here, and this toilet should be 1.3 meters. So we're going to have 1450. Then I need a room here. I'm coming, guys. I need a room. I need a room of, let's say, 3.3 meter. Let's say 3300 plus 3300 plus 150 millimeter. That's a block wall. 3300 plus 150 millimeter is going to give us 3450. Please just follow what I'm doing. What I'm doing is going to make sense after a while. Just follow the way I'm doing it now. Okay, now what do I need? I need another room size of 4 meter. I need a room size of 4 meter. So I'm going to have my block wall. That's 4150. Okay, 4150. Then I need an offset of 900 in total, 900 millimeter, 900 millimeter. So I end my building design here. This is where my design is coming to an end. This is the length. So let's check the total length of this project. What will be the total length? Okay, 17. I'm giving a land size of, I was given a land size of 25 meter. I guess so. So I already used 17. So I still have a lot of space to play with. So let's work with this. Now, what do we go for? 4 meter. Now we have, what is the total distance of this room? Let's check this room. What is going to be the total distance of this room? First, let's see what we have here. We have 5.3 meter here. So I guessed this is our first room. This is our first room. Okay, let's bring out the main lodge. Oh, I'm thinking. How can I be creating a design for a client and making a video at the same time? Ooh, stressing the brain. Okay, okay, I'm thinking. What do I do? Okay, okay, I just got it. So the dining and the kitchen are on the same spot, right? Don't forget that. The dining and the kitchen are sitting on the same spot. So we have, let's have a lobby of 1.2 meter here, 1200 in total here, coming down. Okay, so let's bring this wall here, let's copy this wall to this spot. Okay, so we take this off and we take this off because we don't need it. I guess we need one. So let's come here, let's bring this to this. Okay, let's bring this to this. Then let's take this off. Follow what I'm doing, please. Let me check the size of this room, the length. Perfect. 3.8 meter by 3.3 meter. That's perfect enough for a guest room. That's perfect enough. So what else are we doing? We are taking this off because we don't need it. We are taking this off because we don't need it. Then we are taking all this off. I think so. Let's just leave that first. So what do we need right here? Let's reduce this. Let's take away 900 from this, 900 millimeter from this. Okay, 900 millimeter. Then let's split this. Go to your split tools. Let's split this to this. Go to your split tools again. Let's split this to this. Do you know why I just took 900 millimeter? It's because of my door. I don't want this room facing the main lodge. I intend to create the main lodge. I don't want this room facing the main lodge. I just want to have a slide door entry, having access to this room. So if I have my door access to this room, then this is going to be taller. So I don't need this wall here. Don't need that wall here. Okay, I'm still cooking, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So what do I need right now? Okay, this to a room. This to a room. So the next thing, I don't need this wall. I don't need this wall. I don't need this wall. Then I don't think I need this wall. Okay, 1.2 meter is okay for the toilet. Let's check. Let's check this toilet. 1.2 meter. Okay, what is the total length of this room? Let's check this. Total length of this room is 5.150 by 4 meter. That room is big enough. So this toilet is too small for that room. So let's just work first. Let's make this toilet 1.5 meter. Let's make this toilet 1500 millimeter. Okay, then we'll move this wall to this spot. Let's move this to this spot. Then let's drag this to match. Then take this off and take this off. Okay, guys. So let's drag this to the spot. Perfect. Then let's copy this wall to the spot. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So what do we have left? Let's see. We have 3.5 meter by 4 meter. That's perfect. So let's check this. I'm coming, guys. We have 1.9 meter on the spot. 1.9 meter. Okay, I think we should do here 1.5 meter, or let's say 1.4 meter. It's just a walkway. So let's take 1.4 meter right here. Let's take 1.4 meter. Okay, so we bring this wall here. Let's move this wall to the spot. 1.4 meter. Then we increase this wall. Increase this wall. Okay, now let's see the leftover. What is the length of this for the closet? Whoa, that's enough for the closet. So let's take this off. Then let's increase this margin. Okay, so I'm gonna make here 1.5 meter. I'm trying to create the master bedroom right now. 1.5, or let's do the master bedroom 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Let's do the master bedroom 1.6 meter. They will come down to the spot. We increase this to this. Then we create a copy of this and paste it here. Okay, take this off because we won't be needing it anymore. We increase this to this. Then we take this. Do we need to take this off? Or let's increase this first. Let's increase this. Okay, now what do we need from this master bedroom? What do you think we need? Because we're having our door here and we're having our door here. So I'm just trying to create the master bedroom, which determines I've worked out The kitchen and the dining is on this section. The kitchen, the dining, and the balcony is on this section. I don't want to touch it right now. I already have a provision for the visitor toilet. This is the guest toilet, and this is the toilet that is serving this room. Then this is a walkway lobby to access this room, and I was thinking of how to access this room too because I want to expose this lobby. Let's just keep going. Let's increase this wall in order for it to be parallel. Then let's take these two off. Okay, now what do you think is best for this toilet, for this master bedroom? Let's go for 4 meter. Let's try 4 meter, or let's say 400. Let's see, 400 for the master bedroom. 400. Okay, now let's copy a wall and paste at 400. No, it's not. Please always make sure you pasting your wall at the right spot. So let's take this off first, then let's take this off. Now we have this. Let's take this off. Okay, then let me take this line off. This bedroom 1, this bedroom 2, this bedroom 3. Okay, okay. What do I need? What do I need? Let me think. Let me think. I need an offset of. I need an offset of. Let's say I need an offset of 600. What do you think? I need an offset of 600 from this wall. 600 from this wall. Okay, an offset of 600 from this wall. Then go to your split tools and split this wall. Let's split this off. Okay, then move this to this spot. Perfect. So let's delete this guide. Now we're creating the main lodge, guys. We're creating the main lodge. So what do you think we are looking for? From this wall to this wall, let's look for 5.5 meter from this wall. Coming, guys. 5.5 meter. Let's try something. 500 meter coming this way. Let's keep it there. Then let's take this off. I think we should take this off. Okay, so what do we need? Let's duplicate a line tools and paste it here. Perfect. So let's take this guide off. Let's take this guide off, match this to this. Okay, now we just have an executive main lodge. This is the main lodge we just created. So let's see the size of this main lodge. Let's see if it is perfect. That's 5.4 meter by 6.750. Whoa, that's amazing. That is amazing. Now the little challenge I'm having right now is the dining section. The dining section. So let's work on the dining section because we already have what I think we are looking for. Okay, okay, because there still have to be a push start, but let's keep going. Okay, dining section. Let's work on the dining and the kitchen. Let's work on the dining and the kitchen. What do you think we should do? I'm thinking this is access road to this, and I don't want this master bedroom to be opened directly to this wall. I don't want it. So automatically we're going to have a closure here. We're having a closure here, and I think this wall should be aligned likewise to this. Okay, then let's have a ground access to the spot. What do we have here initially? Let's check the size of this. This 1.4 meter is too much. Let's make this 1 meter. So the kitchen, the toilet could have enough space for both the toilet and the wardrobe. The toilet door and the wardrobe being the closet. So let's move this to this. Then let's increase this to this. Okay. So I don't want the doors facing the main lodge. Now let's take this wall off this. So we have a general lobby that is going to access all those rooms. Now what we are looking for is the dining section. We are looking for the dining section. I intend to use here for a car park. So I'm looking for a dining section. So let's say, what do you think I could use for my dining section? Because all this section is void. Let me just leave it first. Let's go for this. What do we have here? Let's go for, let's say, 1 meter. Let me try out 1 meter. Okay, let's put it here first as a guide. Then, okay, let me bring this wall here to this spot. Let me create a copy of this wall and paste it here. Then take this off. Take this off. So automatically, I'm looking for my dining, right? Looking for my dining. So where do you think my dining could be? I could place my dining here and place my kitchen down here. Okay, let's take this off. Let's take this off. Let's take all these walls off. Then let's take this wall off because we are using this space for something. So let's put this here. Let this be our dining wall. So let's take this wall. Let's have a wall coming towards this. Then let's have a wall coming towards this. Okay, now we are taking this off. Sorry, my bad. Now there have to be a door here. There have to be a door here. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, this wall has to terminate somewhere here. Let's terminate this. Oh, let's just check something. Now, if this is our dining, let's make our dining to be 2 meter or 2.2 meter. That's perfect. Let's drop this here first. Then let's put a wall here to guide what we are doing. Okay, drag this wall to this. Okay, let's take this off. Now, can this size a door? Let's see. Can this size a door? Perfect. No, you can't. This cannot size a door. Let's take 900 door size. Okay, it will size a door. It's exactly. Now that's 900. So let's bring this to the spot. Okay, what do you think we should do? If this is our dining, this is our dining, and this is our kitchen. So I'm thinking, what is the size of this kitchen? We have 3.8 meter by 4 meter. 3.8 meter by 4 meter. So we can easily have a kitchen store because it's a personal house. So I recommend a kitchen store, this 4 meter. So if I should take 1.2 meter from this, let's say take 1.2 meter from this, what do you think is going to be left? Let me put a wall here first. 1.2 meter, then I copy this wall and paste it here. Okay, I'm looking for a kitchen wall. So I'll drag this wall to the spot. Okay, this to the spot. So this is the kitchen and this is the kitchen store. So I prefer I have a little balcony from at this spot for the kitchen. So if I have a door here, I have a door here. I have two doors at the spot. Then I'll walk my kitchen this way. Or if I have a door here and have a door here, what's the length of this dining? I don't want the dining to be too lengthy. Oops, this 4 meter. Okay, so I think I think I should merge the kitchen to this and bring out the balcony of this dining. Oh, becoming stressful. Now, now this is my dining section. This is my dining section, and this is my car park section. This is my car park section. So if I should merge my kitchen to this wall, if I should merge my kitchen to this wall, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, let's allow this to be the balcony to this kitchen. Then let's allow this to be the dining to this wall. Then let's stop this wall at this spot, but it's not protected. This guest toilet is congesting the whole thing. So where do you think I can easily put this guest toilet? That's what I'm thinking. Let me think. If I'm having I can't have this guest toilet here, but it's not bad either because I'm having a total length of, let's say, what am I having? 67500. So if I can take 1.2 meter from this, I think it's fair enough to have the guest toilet. Let's bring the guest toilet to this spot. Let's bring the guest toilet to this spot. 1200 guest toilet to this spot. Okay, so then we are having this dining wall. It's blocking something. It's blocking something. We can't put it there. We cannot put it there. Or we bring it this way. Let's put it this way. Guest toilet. Then we have this for electronics. We set the chairs. We set the chairs this way. We have the entrance door. We set the chairs this way. We use here for electronics. Let's think. Okay, let's put the guest toilet here. Your opinion is highly welcome. Please and please, if you think where I'm putting this guest toilet is not proper, please indicate in the comment section. Excuse me. Okay, let me take this wall here and copy and paste it here. Okay, let me paste it here and drop it here. Okay, now I think what do you think? Let's align this. Oh, I don't think that's proper. Let's bring this here first. Okay, then let me check something. Let me move this wall here to this spot. Okay, bring this here, then bring this here. So this is the guest toilet. You access the guest toilet through this way. Then this is the main lodge. So automatically I'm closing this up. I'm closing this up because this is the dining section. So what are we having on the dining section? Let's see. We are having this. What is the size of this wall? Let's check this. This 1.2 meter, and this is the dining section. So let's take down all this. Let's take all this off because we won't be needing this. Won't be needing this either. Okay. So we have room 1, room 2, room 3, room 3, room 3, kitchen, dining, balcony. Okay, balcony. Okay, okay. Let me label it so you can be able to understand properly. So let's go. This main lodge. This main lodge. Okay. Then this master bedroom. Master bedroom. Okay. Okay. This toilet. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. We have to take away one toilet. Let's make this toilet laundry. This has to be laundry. So that's perfect. So let's make this laundry. So since it's no longer toilet, so this is gonna be laundry. Okay. Then this is gonna be store. It's gonna be storage. Then this has to be kitchen. This is gonna be kitchen. Okay, this is gonna be kitchen. Okay, this guest room. This guest room. This bedroom 2. Okay, then let's make this guest room 3. Okay, now this lobby has to get connected. This lobby, this lobby. Okay, this lobby. Okay, where are we? This is dining area. This is dining. This dining area. I think the kitchen is kind of small, so why don't we bring out the storage? Let's take away the storage from this spot. Let's move the storage to this spot because dining is pretty long. Let's take this off, put it here. Then let the kitchen be spacious enough. Okay, or let's increase the laundry. Let's make the laundry 1.5 meter or 1.6 meter. Let's make the laundry 1.6 meter. This was what I was saying regarding my last video. Space management is highly necessary when you're doing a design. Always try to manage your space. Okay, let's go. We have this here. Then we'll take this off. We'll cut this. Then we'll cut this. So we now have enough space for the laundry. Then let's check this dining section. Let's see a dining of 3 meter. I'm looking at 3 meter. Let's see what we have here. 900. We have 2 points. What do we have? 2.2 meters. So I guess we should go for 2.4 meter. 2.4 meter is okay. 2.2 by 2.4 meter is okay. Then we'll move this to the spot for the storage to be large. So we'll bring this dining come this way. Then we'll move this come this way. So the reason I decided to put this door here is because I can easily have a cross ventilation from this angle. So that is the reason I'm putting it here. Let me see what I'm doing on 3D. Okay, it's coming out nicely. You can see very well. This is the main building. So let's go back to what we're doing. Let's make here car park. Car park. Car park. Okay. Let's get this one off. Okay. What do you think? Let's let it slide first. So now we have the main lodge, the lobby, the dining, the kitchen, the laundry, the toilet, the guest room. Okay, that's 3 bedroom. That's what we're having right now. So what do you think is next for us to do? What is next? Some of these walls has to be terminated like this. This has to be aligned tools. Let's work out the veranda. Okay, what could be the veranda? Let me think. Let me think. What could be the veranda? Let's say I'm thinking of what to use. Thinking of what to use. Okay, let's try. Let's try something here. I want to create a kind of design. So I'm going to take 600 from this. I'm going to take 600 here. Then I'll drop it somewhere here. Then I'll bring it to this spot like 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. Then I'll bring it down to the spot. Down to the spot. I think I'm okay here. Okay, let me drop it here first. And click OK. Now what do I need? Okay. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. Okay, that's gonna be the entrance. So guys, let's work our slab tools. Kind of thinking how to go about it. Let's put our slab tools here. Now this is the entrance. I'm going to be working with column. So let's come here. Let's go to our design tools and pick our column tools. Go to our settings, turn this on, look for glossy white. Let's look for glossy white. Glossy white. Okay, go to geometry. We change this to 0. Change this to 0. Then we add 3-4 meter to this, or let's say we add 3 meter to this. We're going to work on it later. So let's put the first column here. Let's edit this, take this off. Let's change this to 600. Okay, or better still 900. Let's try 900. Okay, so we'll move this to the spot. Let's see that on 3D. Okay, okay, let's check something. Let's check something. Let's assume we are having an entrance staircase of 1.2 meter. Let's assume 1.2 meter. I think what we are having here is much. Let's make this 2.3 meter. 2.3 meter in total. So there have to be a reduction. Like this has to come this way. Okay, let's place this here. Okay, so which means we have to create a new guideline to this. So by bringing this here, taking this here, 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 then we'll bring this down. So let's delete this and also delete this. Okay, okay, I'm okay with this. So what else are we deleting? Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Okay, what do we do? Let's bring columns here. Let's make columns. Let's copy this column first and paste it right here. Let's paste this column here. Then let's change this to 300. Let's change this to 300. Okay, then let's change this to 100. I think I'm okay with that. Okay, perfect. So let's bring this here, paste it here. Then I want to duplicate it to total numbers of, let's try 9, having a little space each. Let's go for 150 millimeter space. 150 millimeter space. 150 millimeter space. 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 150 millimeter. 7. Let's go for 150 millimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's put in another one. Let's see. 150 millimeter. Okay, let's try this on 3D. Let's see what we are creating. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, now we have to change all these columns. Let's change their modeling to something else. Let's look for, okay, Let's try this. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Okay, okay, okay. Let's come here. Let's come here. What do you think we need? Let's bring this wall here. First, let's create a copy of this. Now this is the PC level. We have to create a wall. Let's put this here. Then let's bring this here. Okay. Then we'll take this off. Then let's create another wall here. Okay. What else? Let's bring this here to this. Then we increase this off. Then we'll bring this to the spot. So we take this off. Let's touch this to this. Okay. Now we no longer need this line, I think. Okay. Let's see that on 3D. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the DPC level. Then let's go for our slab tools first. Let's check our slab tools. Let's go for our slab tools. What do you think? Okay, let's increase this to the spot. Now I'm going to choose my slab tools. I'll come down to my design. I'll go to slab. I'll come down to slab settings. I'll turn in all these. Then I'll change this to 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. Then I'll come here. I'll use glossary. This is the top. So I'm going to use ties on this. I'm going to use these ties. Then I'll come here. I'll choose glossary. This is the edge. I want the edge to be similar model with the rest downwards. So I'm going to look for glossary that we were using before. So I just look for glossary white, then I'll click OK. Offset is 1350 millimeter offset. You click OK. Now I want this slab to run in a very different way, so I'm going to pick it the way I want it. So I'll come here, I'll come to this way. I'm going to put a slab here, put a slab here. This slab is not going everywhere, so it's kind of complicated. So let's come here. We have the slab here. We have the slab here. Okay. We're having the slab here. Okay. We're having it here. We're having it here, here, here. Then we'll close it. Let me show you what I'm creating. Close it. Okay. Let's go to 3D, guys. Perfect. You can see that this slab is not on this ground and it's not on this ground. The reason is because I want this ground, this part to be the same level with the compound floor. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Let's go to the DPC level. Okay. Now I need the flower vessel here. I need the flower vessel of, like, let's say, let's go to design tools, come down to line tools. What do we have here? Let's have a flower vessel of 600, or let's say 300 is okay. 400 is okay. Flower vessel of 400 is okay. Okay, let's drop this here. Then we increase this wall to this wall. Then we have to create a wall to match this wall. Then we match this to this. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Then I'll take this off. Then I'll have to bring this, I have to offset this edge to match up with this edge. Perfect. So this part is going to be used for my flower vessel, like this. Okay, so I have this now. What do I need? I need a step. I need a step key. Okay. Oh, so tired, guys. But I really have to push through. So first of all, let's save this project. Let's save this project. This design tools, design job. Let's save it with the client name is John, Mr. John. So I'm going to use his name, Mr. John. Okay. Now we need a staircase for this. We need a staircase for this. How do we do it? We come down to our design tools, we go to our slab layouts, we go to our slab tools. We already have 150 millimeter slab, so we just have to create this. We come down to the spot, we take this, then we create this. Perfect. So I'm gonna move this one to the side, moving it to the side. Okay, so let's check that on 3D, what we are creating. So I'm bringing this down 150 millimeters. I'm going to change this to, if you take away 150 from 1350, it's going to be left with let's say 150 100. It's going to be left with 1.2 meter. So I'm going to make this 1200 offset. Then I'm going to make this slab thickness to be 1200 likewise, so it can drop down. Perfect. So it just dropped down, you can see it very well. So let's see. Okay, so we're going to change this. We're going to duplicate this. Then 1.2, we take away 150 from this. It's going to give us 050. Coming down. Then we take away this. We're going to give us 150. Going down. Okay, so we'll come further. I'm looking for a total of 4 steps. So I'll bring this here first. Then I'll take away 150 millimeter again. So if I'm taking away 150 millimeter again, it's going to give me 900 millimeter. Then here it's going to give me 900 millimeter. I think I'm okay with 3 steps. 900 millimeter likewise. Okay, I'm okay with 3 steps. I'm okay with 3 steps. So you can see, guys, or let's just make the step 4. I'm cool with 3 though. Okay, let's just make the step 4. So let's bring in another one. Then let's take away 150 from this. It's going to give us 750 millimeter. Then here it's going to give us 750 millimeter. That's 4 step. Okay, let's work with this 4 step. Then we have to make this and this. We have to clip all together to be one model. I didn't pick this. I didn't pick this. One together to be one modeling. I click OK. Perfect. So what do I need? I need to go back to the DPC level. Then I'll pick this, I'll pick this, I'll pick this. I'll rotate a copy. I'll rotate a copy to the spot. I'll move it to the spot. Okay. Then I will adjust to fit in. I will adjust to fit in. Please just follow what I'm doing. In case you're just coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay. So let's see what I just did on 3D. Perfect. So take this off. Take this off. You can see we are having 2 staircase, 2-step flight. So I'll come down to the spot. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. What do we do? Okay. Let's have our slab, general slab tools. We'll go to 150 millimeter. This slab is very, very complicated. But let's first of all add this. Let's go to, or should we work on the slab later? Okay, let me just use 750 slab thickness and draw a general slab to create a guide on this job. So we'll work on it later. Okay, perfect. So 750, we are now having two steps. I've lost one under, I've lost one under. So I'm just going to change this to something else, to concrete. Let me change this to concrete. I'm going to work on it later. We have a whole lot of jobs to do on it, but let's just leave it like this first so we can have a guide. Now we don't need this wall anymore. You can see we don't need this wall anymore either because we are having a column here. Okay, let's just go back first. Let's go to the DPC level. Then let's copy this column. I want to copy this column. I want to create a copy of this column. Then paste it here. I'll paste it there. I want to change this to 600. 600. I'll bring it here. Okay. Then I want to change the modeling to gray, something dark gray. I think I'm okay. Then I put it there. Then I need another column at the end. I need another column at the end, but I want it to be white. So I'm going to change this to glossy white. I want it to be white. So I'll look for glossy white. Okay. I'll click OK. I need another column at this spot. At this spot. Let's say, okay. I need it somewhere here. Perfect. So let's see that on 3D. Okay. We have all three columns. 3D. Okay. What's next? So we just have to elevate. Now I won't be needing this wall, and I won't be needing this wall. Okay, because this is basically for car park. Okay, then I have to move this wall from the ground layout. Let's go to geometry. Let's say move this to ground layer and change this to 0. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, guys, let's elevate. We'll come down this way. Copy. Let me move this off because I want to copy all this layer. Okay, let's copy this, excluding columns. You don't need to copy the columns anymore. Let's uncopy all columns and the slab too. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Okay, Control C, copy. So move this backward because we're already through with it. Move this backward. Then you go to the ground layer, ground floor, activate your trace, then paste. Click OK, save your project, load on 3D. Okay. Now this ends on this part is end here. Likewise this part. Okay, this part is going further. Okay, so let's end this part here. Please guys, don't forget to save your project. Please and please always remember to save your project. What are we having here? I don't think we needed this, and we are not needed this either. Likewise this and this, but I think it's gonna stress out. Okay, guys, I won't be needing this either. Okay, can see. Please and please just follow what I'm doing. Please, let's not rush this class because I don't want to make mistake. Okay, what else am I not going to be needing? I'm not needing any of these too, but okay, let's work on this. Let's work on the elevating part. So we'll bring this wall to the spot. We'll create a copy of this and paste it here. I think we should use dark gray on this. So we'll bring this wall to this and paste it here. We'll go to our split tools and split this off. Okay, now that's been done. What else do we need to cut? Okay, let's have a wall here. Let's create a wall here to this end. Then we'll take our split tools and put our split here and split it up. Then let's increase this wall to this wall. Okay, that being done, that's been done. What else are we looking for? Okay, let's go to 3D. Let's see what we can do. Let's play around these walls we just splitted. Let's take this, let's take this, let's take this, let's take this. Okay, let's take this and let's take this. So what do you think we should do? Let's go to settings and change this to 2 to 5 millimeter. Let's go to geometry and change this wall to 2 to 5 millimeter. Okay, let's say minus 2 to 5 millimeter. Okay, let's check something. Okay, bottom offset is gonna be 3175. Let's try it. Okay, perfect. So we'll come here, we make this 2 to 5 millimeter, we click OK. Perfect. So you see, guys, coming up, sorry, my bad. Let's make this to 2 to 5 millimeter. Let's go back 2 to 5 millimeter. Okay, then let's change the model to dark gray, like we said. Dark gray, dark gray. Okay, we click OK. And let's see what we are doing. What are we creating? What are we creating? Okay, okay, okay. So first of all, let's reduce all these walls to come down, these columns. I think I don't like them this way. So let's reduce the height of this column to let's say minus 200. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, let's still take away something. Minus 210, or let's say minus 220, minus 220. Okay, then let's touch this column to the desired spot. That is to say, this column is going up further. This is going up further. This is going this way. So let's bring this column. Let's increase the height of this column to, let's just add, let's add 2 meters to this, 200 to this. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this. Now this has to go further. This column has to go further. Okay, okay. Oops.